Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to clear Roblox cache on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So at first you just need to go to your start or search window and type over here %temp %. So I will give you this command to my video description. You can copy paste from there, or else you can type over here %temp %. After that, press enter from your keyboard. After enter, you will get lots of folder and files. So you just need to select all these files and delete from your computer by pressing shift and delete. So don't worry, these all are temporary folder and files on your PC. So I will delete all these files and folders. After that, skip this option. Now close this window. Now if you are using Chrome browser, then open your Chrome browser. Click on this three dot button on your right side corner. Go to settings. After that, click on privacy and security from your left side over here. Click on delete browsing data. Now here uncheck all these options. Only I will check this cache, image and files option. And after that, click on delete data. After done, close this window and reopen it. And if you are using Edge browser, then you just need to open your Edge browser and click on this three dot button over here. Go to settings. After that, click on privacy and search service from your left side. On your right side, you will get delete browsing data. Under that, choose what to clear. So click on that. Now here on this window, you just need to uncheck all these options. Only you have to select cache, image and files. And after that, click on clear now. After done, you just need to restart your browser and it will clear your cache on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.